Ready to save big on your HostGator web hosting purchase? Then this HostGator coupon code video is for you. In this HostGator discount tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to get a HostGator discount so you can save money on your HostGator web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name on annual plans. You get a HostGator discount from up to 73% off. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the HostGator discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome HostGator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the HostGator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be taken down to the HostGator hosting plans page. The hatchling plan, you'll get up to 66% off. The plan comes with 10 websites, 10 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL for the first year, WordPress pre-installed, and malware scanning. The baby plan, you get up to 73% off. The plan comes with up to 20 websites, 20 GB of SSD storage, phone and chat support, plus everything the hatchling plan comes with, along with a free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance with 2V CPUs. The business plan, you get up to 72% off. The plan comes with 50 websites, 50 GB of SSD storage, plus everything the baby plan comes with, along with increased performance, 3V CPUs, daily website backups, free for the first year, and domain privacy, free for the first year. Choose the plan you'd like. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the HostGator dashboard. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. Under today's total, you'll see Add Promo Code. You already have the best pricing here and there is no HostGator promo code you need to enter. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Enjoy your HostGator coupon code discount so you can save money on your HostGator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostGator hosting tutorial videos.